Hello everybody, this is my second cassette deck. This time I bought this one from Christmas present to myself. Cassette double deck. This doesn't work anymore. Part is in here. Why? This is out of order. Zoom a little bit. Gear without pin. So this is middle. It's little gear. I open this very shortly, and this deck number 2. Deck number 2. The problem is this is auto reverse. This wrong direction working, but if you go normal way, this taking roll doesn't take anything. So it's that tape go bad in there. So I need to check this also. But I did fix this because I know already that that one gear is broken and I don't have that. But this one I need to open and check if I can do something. No room here. Maybe to take this backplate away. Okay, so good. Here, I'll show you. over there. One pin is gone. That's why this doesn't go like it should. Same problem what is in here. Okay, I can't fix it without any parts. So what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Here is this roll. This is the same thing, and I already found video where was this gear fixing. So I need 3D printed gears, 2 of those. Here is pin loss. But when I check this my machine here, there's a lot of tape broken. Lot. Okay. Maybe you can see here there's a lot of tooth missing. One is there. And 2 in there. One is there. So if you have capabilities to make 3D printing gears, let me know. I need those. Okay. Bye bye.